Alright, we are fixing to open up the box that our new Amish swing came in. So, here I go.
And that's what Johnny did. This is a great place. It brings back a lot of memories. We do great work.
Took them about 3
You can
weeks to
tell
get
Bill
it
took
here.
real pride in finishing that house, and that's what West Virginia's all about.
And now we're fixing to see what it looks like. I can't wait. There we go. This better be good. If not, we're going to send it back. Ooh, smells newly varnished. We got it stained black. We thought that looked real pretty. Ow. Something else to put together. Put together a chicken house this year, a raised bed, and now a swing. Oh, it looks very sturdy. It's real heavy. Oh. Right. That's the back. The arms. Came with all the chains and hardware. And of course, let's see. Huh. You can't have a swing, especially in the South, without cup holders. You got to have that so when you're swinging, you can have somewhere to put your sweet tea. Right, doesn't look too hard to put together. A lot easier than the raised bed of the chicken house. It had about 3,000 parts. This only got a couple. So I ought to have it together and nothing flat. Looks very nice, very sturdy and heavy, and everything is screwed in, which is a good thing. So now all I got to do is put it together. Here goes nothing. Look who's here to help me. Of course, my little busybodies. They'll love playing in the box. I've already got some of the bubble wrap. If you're wondering what all these boxes are in my house, they look like a warehouse right now. I'm getting ready to go to a convention and sell my books. So I have 300 bookaroonies. Here we go. That ought to be exciting. Alright, well, gotta get busy. Put together a swing.